Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Boys Felix, and we're doing another trade review on December 3rd, 2025. So first off, let's look at SPY. I just took two trades, both of them are IWM, made about 1 hour for the day, so recovering from yesterday's loss. But first let's look at SPY. First marked the previous day high, previous day low, and SPY pre-market had a big drop, IWM and QQQ, because of Microsoft AI sales quote decrease. So it had a big drop, but it actually recovered all of that and then some throughout the day. However, the pre-market range was very high. You can see here from here to here, that was the pre-market range. So anything in here, I don't trade. Really, the only possible trade that I could see was probably around here. We got the 15-minute break over the previous day high. The EMA, the 5-minute was far, and the 10 EMA was far as well, so a nice little wait. And then over here would probably been the entry for about a half-hour winner there. But I didn't take that trade because I took IWM and I was done for the day. So we're gonna go to IWM. So again, so we see here IWM had a 2 days resistance on December 1st and December 2nd. Here you can see here, so that was my my zone, and then the previous day low here. So again, the pre-market crash, and it bounced right on the previous day low and then created the pre-market low there, and then since then it just kind of ran up higher. I missed this trade. I was looking at this for a possible trade, but it was during the news at 10 a.m. so I wasn't sure should I take it or not, but this looked beautiful because this was a bull flag. We had the 15-minute close above, the EMAs were spreading out, the 5 minutes right there, so the entry would have been here. Entries would have been right above this bar right after the 10 a.m. news, and the stop kind of right there, and then that would have been an easy win, as you can see here, as it went higher throughout the day. But I didn't take that trade, so I was waiting for another opportunity. So then we got here, so I took this one here. This was a possible trade, but I didn't like how it was trending with the 10 EMA was kind of far, so I was like, let me wait for that. But this was definitely been a possible trade here. It would have actually worked out because you get in here, it would struggle for a few minutes, maybe like 10 minutes or so, and then rip higher for about a half-hour winner, and then break even later. But I took this one here, this arrow, and this one here. This arrow I got out for about 0.1 R. I was getting a little nervous. I thought it felt kind of like extended or whatnot, but it actually would have been a half-hour winner easy. But I got out, and you can see here my work order. Here it is at 9:33. No, not this target. Where is it? IWM. A working order. Here it is. IWM at 11:32. 11:30. Here's 11:30. So 11:32 right here is when I got in, and there out, and it got me out at break even there. But then later in the day, I was waiting for another opportunity. I saw how the 5-minute closed under the 13 EMA, and then right here, and then it closed above. So that was like, okay, now it's my entry. I closed as well with the 10-minute EMA on the 8 EMA, and the 15-minute was right there. You can see here on the EMA. So it's like, oh, this is my entry right here. So I got in around 12:10. You can see here, 12:12 is when I got in, and it just ripped higher. This one I took about an R winner. It jumped, and I didn't think it was going to reach my target, so I kind of just sold it around here and then just continued going higher, and it would have definitely been an easy winner as it didn't have no red bar in the 2-minute. So that was a mistake, not following my plan 100% there. But those were the two trades on IWM. QQQ, for example, again, there's no trade, didn't break the zones. Here you can see here the pre-market high, the pre-market low, so anything between I don't trade. So this is just chop. Really the only trade was IWM and maybe this SPY trade here, waiting for this setup. So that's kind of my trades for the day, and so that's it. So you can see here about an R winner, so you see here as well, R winner. So that's the trade for the day. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button for the next video.